Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and signing in so your files sync across devices. Tap the app, choose your Microsoft account, and allow permissions for storage. This enables saving and export. Once signed in, select New to create a document or pick Recent to continue. Make sure to toggle Auto Save On for OneDrive files so changes persist. You're now ready to build a document on your phone with templates or a blank page. Follow along as we add content and format. Now add content. Tap the screen and type with the mobile keyboard, then use the floating toolbar to format. Once you select text, choose font, size, bold, italics, and bullets. This gives visual hierarchy. Insert images or tables from the Insert menu and drag handles to resize. For page setup, open Layout to change margins and orientation for printing. Make sure to use styles to keep headings consistent. This helps when you later export or share the file. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap File to save or trust Auto Save with OneDrive. Once done, open Share to send a link, attach via email, or export as PDF for universal viewing. Make sure to check document permissions before sharing to control editing. If formatting looks off on another device, use Export to PDF to preserve layout. Troubleshooting tip: if your document won't sync or save, reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-enter your Microsoft account credentials to restore access immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.